Hi, I'm Joe, and in this video I'm going to go over everything school didn't teach you about national insurance. If you want to learn more about personal finance and how to take care of your finances better, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out my channel. It will be helpful to you and it will be helpful to me. So thank you. So in this video I'm going to cover 5 main questions that will basically cover everything you need to know about national insurance. I will leave timestamps of the questions down below so you can skip to whatever question that you want to be answered. First of all, I can't believe none of this is taught in school. The amount that you have to learn by yourself and just pick up as whenever it comes across is a bit baffling, but here we are. That's why we're doing this video. So the first question we're going to answer is, what actually is national insurance? It's called an insurance, but it's actually just a tax, and it's an amount of money that gets taken out of your paycheck as a contribution. You only have to pay national insurance contribution if you're above the age of 16 and are either earning a minimum of £792 a month, or if you're self-employed, you are making a profit of more than £6,745 a year. Profit, not revenue. By the way, if you haven't watched my income tax video, then go over and check that video out. I'll leave it a little iCard here. That will go over some of the basic stuff about tax and paying tax in the UK, especially PAYE, and that will help you understand a bit better of how national insurance works as well. So the second question is national insurance expensive? These national insurance contributions are certainly less than PAYE tax, but there's still money you have to pay. The amount you pay depends on your employment status, whether you're an employee or if you're self-employed, and how much you earn, similar to how income tax works. Your status and your salary put you into one of 4 categories. These are called classes. Now this bit might get a bit confusing, but I'll try and make it as easy as possible for you to understand, so bear with me. So first you got class 1, which is for most people, which is for an employee. Class 2 are for those who are self-employed and are earning more than £6,745 in profit a year. Class 3 is voluntary contributions. This is used to make up for gaps in your NI record where you haven't maybe contributed. And class 4 is for the self-employed people that are making more than £9,501 a year. So in class 1, if you earn between £792 and £4,167 a month, your national insurance rate is 12%. Anything above the £4,167 that you earn a month, you have to pay 2% only. Just to clarify, you pay the percentage for every pound above the threshold. So for example, 12% for every pound above £792 and 2% for every pound above £4,167. For class 2, you pay a flat rate of £3.05 a week. And for class 4, you pay 9% on every pound above £9,501 and 2% for every pound that is profit above £50,000. I will leave an example of how much a person that earns the UK average salary, annual salary of £30,000, how much they pay in national insurance contributions towards the end of the video. So if you don't get all this, then you can just look at the example and maybe try and understand it a bit better. The third question is, what am I actually contributing towards? It's called national insurance contributions. What am I contributing towards? Well, it actually counts towards state benefits and pensions. I'll put a screenshot of which class goes to what, but that's the basic overview. If you earn between the lower earnings limit of £120 a month to the primary threshold, which is £792, then you actually pay in national insurance at a 0% rate. You say paying at 0% because you get the benefits of paying national insurance without actually having to pay for it. So the benefits can vary from like job seekers allowance to bereavement support to maternity allowance to all kinds of stuff. So the fourth question is, why does it exist? It's actually for the less fortunate and for the families that need help financially. And then pensions, well, I guess it exists as kind of like a safety net for people that don't save for their retirement, and it's to make sure that everyone has enough money when they do retire and they can't physically work anymore, and they're able to support themselves with their pension. There are obviously optional other pensions that people get, but this is just a safety net, just to make sure that you do have something when you retire. Question number 5 is, when does it actually affect us? And the simple answer to this is never. If you're an employee, then you're most likely never going to have to file your national insurance yourself. It's automatically taken out your paycheck when your employer gives you your salary, and it just happens automatically. But if you're self-employed, then you're gonna have to keep on top of this, and especially keep on top of this in the February, March time, because you don't want to miss the tax deadline and you haven't paid your taxes, and it's a bit, If you're self-employed, then make sure you are on top of paying national insurance and tax. all that before April, because that, if you didn't know already, is the end of the tax year. Again, this is stuff that I had to look up to learn, and I thought, you know, I should make a video about it because I think more people should know. There is tons more information that you can learn about this, but I've just covered the basics so you at least know what it is and you're not confused when you look at your paycheck. Hopefully this gets recommended to more and more people and they can learn about it, because, you know, otherwise they might not go onto the government website ever and just not learn about this stuff. So you get that engagement up and more people see it. No one tells you this stuff. If you want to know more things like this and more things about finance and things that you didn't get taught in school, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification button because you don't want to miss a video. And well, we do love a bit of personal finance. And please, if I did get something wrong or made a mistake, then leave it in the comment section down below. Don't be afraid to correct me. We don't want people, you know, knowing the wrong information. Please correct me if I am wrong in the comment section. Or if you have any suggestions, or just if you want to put, you know, a nice video, cheers, in the comments, that'll be nice. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.